Now I discuss about the nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are the biopolymer which are generally present in free state or with the combined with the protein, that is your nucleoprotein. So we can write nucleic acid are the long chain of biopolymer present in most living cell, either in the free state or combined with a protein. That is we can think about the nucleoprotein. Nucleotide is the monomer of nucleic acid, so we can write nucleotide are the monomer unit of nucleic acid. The nucleotide also made by two components. One is your nucleoside, another is your phosphoric acid. So we can write the nucleotide is mainly made by two components such as number one is your nucleoside, number two is your phosphoric acid. Again the nucleoside made by two components. One is your pentose sugar, another is your nitrogen containing heterocyclic base. So we can write the nucleoside is made by two components such as number one is your pentose sugar and number two is your nitrogen containing heterocyclic bases. Nucleic acid two types, so we can write it is two types such as number one is your DNA, number two is your RNA. Number one is your DNA, that is your said to be deoxyribonucleic acid, and the second is your RNA, that is your said to be ribonucleic acid. At first I will discuss about the DNA. DNA is a double strand of polypeptides, so we can write DNA is composed of two strands of polynucleotide coiled around each other. They are coiled around each other in the form of a helix, which is resemble with a twisted ladder. So we can write resembling with a gently twisted ladder. DNA have four bases, so we can write DNA have four bases such as number one is your adenosine, number two is your guanine, number three is your cytosine, and number four is your thiamine. Remember an important point: the base on one strand of DNA must be paired with the other base on other strand of DNA. Here the adenosine base must be paired with the guanine and cytosine base must be paired with the thymine. So we can write the base on one strand of DNA must be paired with the other base on second strand of DNA with the help of hydrogen bond which is highly specific. Adenosine visual symbol is represented as A paired with the guanine, that is your G. Similarly, cytosine, that is your C, paired with the thiamine, that is your said to be T. Next I will discuss about the DNA fingerprint. It is very important in exam. The sequence of bases on DNA for a particular person is unique. That is called DNA fingerprint. So you can write the sequence of bases on DNA is unique for person's information regarding this is called DNA fingerprint. The DNA fingerprint for each cell is same. It cannot be altered by any treatment. So you can write the DNA fingerprint for each cell is same and cannot be altered by any treatment. There are many uses of DNA fingerprint nowadays. So you can write DNA fingerprint is used. Number one is to identify parentage of an individual. Number two is to identify criminal by forensic laboratory test. Next is to identify dead body by comparing DNA fingerprint of parents or child. It is also used to identify the racial group to rewrite the biological evolution. These are the uses of DNA fingerprint. Next I will discuss about the RNA. RNA is used to decode the message and it converted into the axon. So we can write the process of translating the coded message into axon requires RNA. The chemical composition similar with the chemical composition of DNA. There is a slight change in RNA. In RNA, the sugar is your ribose, and there is a use of another base, that is your uracil instead of thiamine. So we can write the chemical composition of RNA is similar almost to that of DNA, except that sugar in RNA is ribose and the base is uracil in place of thiamine as in DNA. The structure of RNA is single strand in most organisms. So we can write the structure of RNA is single strand in most organisms, but appears helix. There are three types of RNA. One is your mRNA, second is your tRNA, third is your rRNA. At first I will discuss about the mRNA. mRNA carry the genetic information from the template of the DNA, so you can write it carries the genetic information from the template of DNA. Next is your tRNA. It is the simplest RNA and single strand and occur in cytoplasma of cell. One for each amino acid found in the proteins. Next is your rRNA. It is found in ribosome and constitute 80% of the RNA. rRNA helps in the synthesis of protein, so we can write it helps in the synthesis of protein. Next I will discuss about the biological role of nucleic acid. First point is your DNA is the chemical basis of the heredity. So you can write DNA is the chemical basis of heredity. DNA molecule having capable of self duplication during cell division. This is all about your nucleic acid.